Welcome back to Guess With Me. Today's video is Computer Shortcut Keys test. How smart are you? Let me know in the comments. Before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Guess With Me. Number 1 is, what is the keyboard shortcut for copying text or files? Option C is the right answer. Number 2 is, what is the shortcut for undoing the last action in most applications? Option A is your answer. Question number 3, which keyboard shortcut is used to paste, copy text or files? Option C is your answer. Number 4, which keyboard shortcut is used to open a new document or tab in many applications? B is the right answer. Number 5 is, what is the shortcut to save the current document or file? Option B is right. Number 6 is, which keyboard shortcut allows you to close the current window or tab? Option C is right. Number 7 is, what is the shortcut for opening the Find dialog in most applications? Option E is right. Number 8 is, which key combination is used to lock the computer in Windows? Option C is right. Number 9, what is the shortcut for creating a new folder in Windows Explorer? Option A is right. Number 10, which keyboard shortcut is used to switch between open tabs in a web browser? Option B is your answer. Number 11, shortcut for capturing the entire screen to the clipboard in Windows. Option C is right. Number 12, which key combination opens the Task Manager in Windows? Option A is right. Number 13, what is the shortcut for closing the active program or window? Option B is right. Number 14, which key combination is used to go up one level in Windows Explorer? Option B is right. Number 15, what is the keyboard shortcut to open File Explorer in Windows? Option B is right. Number 16, which keyboard shortcut is used to view file or folder properties in Windows Explorer? Option A is right. Number 17, what is the shortcut for underlining text in many text editors and word processors? Option B is right. Number 18, which keyboard shortcut is used to open the Save As dialog in many applications? Option A is right. Number 19, what is the shortcut for making text bold in many text editors and word processors? Option C is right. Number 20, which keyboard shortcut is used to align text to the center in many text editors? Option B is right. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video.